willing to host the president?
Wala. Hindi ko alam, sir. Sa totoo lang, ito ay discussion ni dating Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte at ng kanyang abogado.
Ma'am, sa ito na ganito sa email sa Australian government, inquiry lang siya or clarification?
Wala ko. Basahin ko na lang, no?
Maybe Australian government, pag-inagigan or
Department.
Department of Foreign Affairs and Trade of, I guess, Australia. Kay nga no, ang iyahang kuan, ang iyahang telephone number is +61. Tapos ang iyahang website is dfat.gov.au. So basahin ko na lang ha para marinig nyo. The Australian government is aware that former Philippines President Rodrigo Duterte has applied for interim release to a third unnamed country. Australia has not agreed to host Mr. Duterte if he is granted interim release, nor are we considering this. Mr. Duterte's interim release is a matter for the ICC to consider in line with the Rome Statute. Kind regards, Hasna. Media Liaison Section, Department of Foreign Affairs and Trade. So ito yung nakuha namin. And as I said, the defense team of President Duterte did not apply for interim release in Australia. So I do not know from where she or he based her email.
And it was dated yesterday or today?
Walang date. Pero gi-blur ang name nung sinulatan.
Dili siya scam, dili ka scammer. Naganabigan na sa Viber.
Kana po ang dili ko kay balo no, kay wala may apelido, first name lang. One name lang ang. So wala ko kabalo if this is a family name or a first name.
articles, I don't know kung kabalo. Wala kang wish source.
Oh, so as journalists and as reporters, pwede ba ka magbuhat og news item na wala kay source?
Intellectually challenged na
So, yeah. Australia has not agreed to host Mr. Duterte if he is granted interim release, nor are we considering this. So, yes, President Duterte did not apply for interim release in Australia. Dili mo na sa amo, gikan lang na siya sa, I think sa kadtong contact atong nagsulat sa article, media report.
Ng inyong pagpunta sa Australia, yung pag-lobby for if ever, or naging part pa siya ng usapan na punta kayo sa Australia na possibly
Hindi. No, I never talked to any government official when I was in Australia. And I know for a fact na hindi Australia yung dalawang countries na redacted doon sa petition for interim release. Yes. So, yeah.
Nasa na tayo sa pag-workout for those two countries? Kasi musyal din po di ba ito dun sa pagiging mayor din ni former president?
Ay, hindi naman. Ang pagiging mayor niya, kailangan lang niya mag-oath. Hindi ko alam kung anong desisyon, kung ano ang desisyon at ano yung challenges kung bakit hindi nag-oath, hindi pa nag-oath si dating Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte.